Today, Egypt. Oh my God. Egypt. 2032, 10 minutes. Oh my God. Mo Salah. Bye bye. See a mosque in the distance. As we're coming into the El-Fnaa. Weather's quite good tonight. It's not humid, no humidity at all, I don't think. Look how busy it is here. It's a complete contrast from the day. Everybody's smiling, loving the square. I don't know at night time, did they get rid of the snakes, the charmers? Do they all go? I don't know. But we'll have a look. They're there, the monkeys. They're still around. It's quite busy, isn't it? What's he doing? Oh. He's that type of guy, is he? People playing games, enjoying the night. Performers enjoying themselves. It's a completely different vibe from the daytime. What are these lot doing? Come on guys, there must be some better games than this. God's sake, picking a bottle of something up. Really? Wow. Shocking. What are these people doing? They're trying to get a bottle of juice. Oh my God. People sat down eating the food. متشكر. I'm full up, thank you. I've had my tagine, tangier. Islam. I'm full up, I've eaten. I've eaten. Tomorrow inshallah I'll come.
Welcome.
Tomorrow, thank you. 56. Stop Islam. Stop. I'm full up, I've eaten.
Oh, no Morocco.
Finished. English.
No, the first in the Morocco.
English. Are you English?
Five in the Morocco.
Yeah, Moroccan Arabic.
Yeah, Morocco.
You look like you're from England.
Me?
Yeah, England.
Bangladesh.
But no, Manchester. See you later. Okay, bro.
برضو
Okay.
انت غادي دير دير لك
Fucking. It's chaos, isn't it? Ooh. Hot. Like going deep into something else. Shops everywhere, aren't there? Whew.
C'est un garçon quoi? C'est un garçon. Je lui ai dit qu'il devait s'acheter une tenue, peut-être qu'il est quelque part.
Peut-être qu'il est derrière vous.
Il nous a semé.
Hot in here, man. Chaotic in here. Done here. You know something? The deals out of this square are so much better than inside the square.